Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Rio. The Rio delivers sprightly performance, great fuel economy, and agile handling, all in a stylish package. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, front disc rear drum brakes, front wheel drive, remote trunk release, steel wheels, tires front all season. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.